Get paid $20 every 10 minutes on complete autopilot using UPDF, which is one of the best ways to make money online. It's available worldwide, so you can do it from any country around the world, be it the United States, Canada, UK, Australia, India, Nepal, Pakistan, or any country around the world. And the good thing is, you can use it on both your mobile phone and on a computer or laptop. So like this video, and let's start with the first step, which is to come over to UPDF.com. UPDF is a comprehensive AI integrated PDF solution with full edit, annotate, convert, OCR, protect, sign, and generative AI features. It is a powerful PDF tool compatible with all platforms of Windows, Android, macOS, iOS, and iPadOS, and has gradually become the fiercest competitor of Adobe Acrobat. PDF editors that are perfect for Apple devices are few and expensive. Not UPDF is a great choice, but today we want to earn $20 every 10 minutes using UPDF, so you can earn free PayPal money like this. And for this, I want you to click where it says Resources and select the affiliate program option from there. That's going to take you to this page where you can see that if you join the UPDF affiliate program, you will earn 30% commission per sale, which is enough to earn $20 every 10 minutes on complete passive income. And don't worry, you don't need to spend hours and hours to convince someone to buy a subscription of UPDF, because today I will be showing you my secret to setting up this system once, so you can earn money like this every 10 minutes. And the good thing about UPDF affiliate program is that they have 30-day session cookies, so even if someone buys the UPDF subscription within 30 days after clicking on your affiliate link, you will still get paid commission for that, which is just awesome. So just select any one of the options from here and press the Join Now button to join the affiliate program of UPDF and get your affiliate link from there. Once you get your affiliate link, the second step is to start promoting your affiliate link and earn money with it. But before I show you how to promote your affiliate link correctly to earn $20 every 10 minutes like this, I want to show you some unique features of UPDF that, if you know, will help you to earn your commission really fast. So first of all, I want you to click where it says Free Download and download the UPDF app to your computer or mobile device. Once the UPDF file downloads on your device, I want you to double click on it and start the installation process. A small window like this will open on your screen, and you just need to click on Install to install the UPDF app to your device. And once the app is installed, this is how the interface of the UPDF app will look like. Now the first thing you want to do is to click where it says Login to create your account on UPDF and log into it. As you can see, I have already logged into my account, and now the next thing is to drag and drop your PDF file here. We all use PDFs in day-to-day life, and sometimes we feel like if we could edit something in the PDF, it would be great. That something may be adding text, changing images, adding more images, including comments to some part of the PDF, including signature to the PDF, or organizing the whole PDF differently. The great news is that you can do all that with the help of this single tool called UPDF. Not only that, many other features come with this tool, like protecting your PDF with passwords, adding annotations, compressing it, and much more, which I will show you one by one in this video. So let's open a PDF on UPDF app. And for this, I have chosen a sample PDF of a business proposal. Now just double click on your PDF to open it on UPDF. As you can see, my PDF has opened on UPDF, and now I can start editing anything in this PDF. But first of all, I would like to show you the UPDF AI. So just click on this UPDF AI icon on the bottom right corner, and that's going to open a small UPDF AI tab in the app. Now if you wait a few seconds, UPDF AI will start summarizing the whole PDF into different sections of the PDF, which is really amazing. Now you can ask it to summarize the PDF, explain it, write, and translate it to some other language, and the UPDF AI will provide you with the same results with accurate and detailed outcomes. Now, we're going to be diving into the annotation tools and how you can annotate your PDFs. So for this, you have to select the comments icon from the left-hand side, which will reveal these sweet annotation tools on the top. So we have the sticky notes that you can place anywhere in your PDF document. We have the highlight tool, strike through, underline, squiggly line. We also have text comment, text box, text callout, and we have a pencil and an eraser so you can draw across your document. You can also add shapes to your documents or stickers to make it more colorful, and stamps to do the same thing, and of course you can add your signature. With UPDF, there are different ways to add comments to your PDF. Starting with the text comment, just click on it once and it will be selected. Now you just click anywhere to add your text comment on the PDF. You can also change the font, size, and the color of the text comment. You can also click and hold on the text comment to drag it around the document and place it wherever you want to. Next, you can choose to go with sticky notes by just clicking on it once and just select somewhere on the document where you want it. Then just start writing the comment you want to add to your PDF. You can also change the color of the sticky notes from here if you want to. Then you can drag it around the document to relocate it, and you can also copy, delete, or edit the text in it. Just like this, you can use a text box, which is also fully customizable. You can change the font, size, and color of the text. The last option to add comments is a text callout. Just just select it from here, and you can just click on the PDF and drag and drop it where it looks good. And again, you have all the customizable options to make it stand out. Now, if you want to highlight anything in the PDF, you just need to select the highlighter icon from the top, and then select the portion that you want to highlight in your document. Then you can just click on the highlighted text, and you can change the color of it, and you can also add a note to it. If you want to use these settings more than once, you can just double click on the highlighter icon, and it will be selected to use for more than once. Then just start highlighting the texts in your PDF document. All the properties of the highlight, strike through, and underline are the same. Now, to edit any or all the elements in your PDF, you just need to click on the Edit PDF option. And now you can see that I can choose and edit any element from the PDF. So for example, if I want to change this text over here, I just need to click on it, and I can add any text or remove any text from here. I can even change the size of this text, change the font of it, change the alignment, make it bold or italic, or change the color of it if I want to. Just like this, if you want to edit the image from here, you just need to select it from here. And you can rotate it anti-clockwise and clockwise. You can also crop it from here and adjust it just as you like it to be. And if you want, you can also replace the image with the image on your device. And if you want to add a completely new image to the PDF, then you can just select the image option on the top and select the image from your device to add it here. Just like this, you can select the link option from the top, and you can click anywhere to add a link. So for example, you can just click on any text like this and drag it to cover the whole text. Then you just need to add your destination link here, and boom, your link will be added to this text. Now, if you want to add a signature to your PDF, you need to select the comment section once again and click the signature icon from the top. Then just click on Create to start creating your signature. So in this box, you can start creating and adding your signature for the PDF. And once you're done, just click on Create again, and you will be able to place your signatures anywhere in the document you want to. And you can also change its size according to the size of other text in the document. UPDF also provides you with a unique feature of OCR, or the optical character recognition. The OCR technology helps to convert scanned documents into editable and searchable text, making it easier to update and repurpose the marketing content. It's a really useful feature nowadays, which can save you a lot of time and money. Now, if you want to protect your PDF from misuse, you can protect it using a password. And for this, you just need to click on the Protect using Password option from here. Then select the option you want to encrypt with the password. For example, if we wanted to require a password to open the document, we will select this first option from there. Then we just need to enter the password in this box, reconfirm the same in the next box, and just click Apply to apply the password to your PDF. After that, if you want, you can just select this Export PDF option from there and export your PDF in any format you want. So UPDF is the best alternative to Adobe Acrobat because it's easy to use and doesn't require time to learn complicated features. UPDF is fully functional and is constantly developing new features. While it is not as expensive as Adobe Acrobat, with the price only 12% of the latter, it even provides a perpetual plan that Adobe does not have. It is affordable. A single account or purchase facilitates multi-platform, enabling up to 4 devices to be online at the same time. I will leave a link to UPDF in the description of this video. You can check it out yourself using that link. Now, step number 3. You know everything about your product UPDF. And to start earning money with it, you just need to search for graphic designers on Google. You will find many different websites that you can open in new tabs one by one. Then just search for their contact info like their email address and send them a simple email regarding UPDF in your own words. You can also take the help of ChatGPT for this. Also, don't forget to add your affiliate link from UPDF in the mail you sent to these website owners, and boom, you will start to make money like this every 10 minutes. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.